Hello everyone, today here are some quotes on money and relationship. I hope you will like these quotes, and if you like them, please like and share the video. Now let's start. Money can buy you a fine dog, but only love can make him wag his tail. Money can feed the body, love will feed the soul. Politics, war, marriage, crime, adultery, everything that exists in the world has something to do with money. Money can't buy love because it's overpriced. Money is like love. It kills slowly and painfully the one who withholds it and enlivens the other who turns it on his fellow person. Use money and love people. Don't use people and love money. This would be a much better world if more married couples were as deeply in love as they are in debt. Money is either the best or the worst area of communication in our marriages. Your hands may be full of money and your brain full of information, but if your heart is empty, your life is very empty. If you want to know how rich you are, find out how many things you have that money cannot buy.